Today we are taking a look at the Logitech G102, one of the most popular budget gaming mouse out there. I've unboxed it, tested, and here's what you need to know in just a couple of minutes. In the box you get just the essentials, the mouse and some paperwork. The design is simple but clean. With a symmetrical shape and 6 programmable buttons, the RGB strip around the back give it a nice touch, and overall it feels like a classic Logitech build. Let's talk specs. Sensor: Logitech Mercury sensor, up to 8000 dpi. Report rate 1000 Hz /1 millisecond. Buttons 6 programmable. Weight around 85 grams. RGB lighting with Logitech G HUB support. I plugged it in and it instantly worked. No hassle, the mouse feels pretty solid, true on the heavier side compared to ultralight gaming mouse, but that also makes it very stable and precise, especially for FPS and everyday use. After spending some solid time with the Logitech G102, I have to say the mouse really reminded me why simple sometimes just works best. You don't need a super lightweight shell, a fancy name, or a crazy price tag to have a good gaming experience. It's just one of those products that quietly does its job, every click feels consistent, tracking is smooth, and you never really have to think about it. You just use it, and it works. What I really like is how it still manages to hold up in 2025. There's so many new mice out there, with holes, wireless sensor, insane DPI numbers, but at the end of the day, most people don't need all that. If you're just gaming for fun or you're probably competitive but don't want to spend 100 euros on mouse, the G102 is honestly all you need. The weight might throw you off at first, especially if you are used to ultralights, but once you get used to it, it actually feels controlled and precise. It doesn't jump around too easily, and that stability really helps in FPS games like Valorant or CS. And yeah, it's not perfect, the cable could be softer, the shape won't fit everyone, and the sensor isn't Logitech top-end hero. But for the price, it nails the basic perfectly. No weird tracking gaming mouse. It's not trying to impress you with features, it's just made to perform. And honestly, that kind of refreshing in 2025, where everything is getting complicated and expensive. So if you're on budget and just want a reliable mouse that will last you for years, go for it. The Logitech G102 is still a great pick, and I think that says a lot about how well Logitech nailed the basics with this one. Thanks you for watching this review on Logitech G102. If you found it helpful, drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more quick and honest tech review like this. See you in the next video.